these videos to make sure that you see exactly how the vehicle is, how it runs, how it sounds, how it drives, how it looks, the defects. We do these for you. Make sure you subscribe and like. Hey guys, this is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I have this brand new addition for you. This is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, and it is just beautiful. Obsidian black, and it has the black and the gray with a gold stripe. It's got your billet specialty rims, LT1, the whole engine bay has all been detailed. It's been smoothed. It's got Dakota digital gauges. It's got AC. This thing just rides out so well. This is something that you definitely want in your collection. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. '57 Chevrolet Bel Air, and this one is set up to drive. Look beautiful. Win the car shows. This beautiful black, you can just see, look at this. It is in such good shape. It really is. Barely any type of rock chips on throughout. It is Arizona, so there might be a few, but this thing is so beautiful. And you can see here, I mean, there might be a few little small bugs and a few little small rock chips, but again, that is just because it was drove. It's not a trailer queen, but it definitely could be. This thing is just beautiful. So it just depends on what you want to do with it and how you want to do it, because this thing just shows so well, and you can drive it. It's got AC, it's got fuel injection, it's got disc brakes. This thing is amazing. I love the black. And then you got your billet specialty rims, and those are just in amazing shape. You can see there 225, 40, 18. Got great tread depth on those. Disc brakes here in the rear. Undercarriage is in such good shape, and we'll take a look at that here after the test drive. But you can see all the way through, I mean, this thing just shines and shows so well. All the trim, you know, there's a few little things here on the trim, but overall it's actually really good shape. It's not really pitted, it's not rusted out, it's not rotted through. This thing just shows so well. So a little bit right here, but not much at all. And it sounds great. The trunk looks great. We'll show you that. And the interior, you got LED lights here on the rear. I'll get those turned on as well. And let's go back over here to this rim and just show you. Look at that. I mean, in really good shape. And that's a 275, 35, 20 on the rear. Nice big tire, so you got enough traction. Now, it's not a race car by any means, but overall it really runs out really well with that LT1. And look at that, just shows so well. I don't see any type of curb rash or anything with that. And those panels, look at that. Yeah, just mirror-like. Great depth, great shine. You can just tell, very professionally done. And again, here in the front, no curb rash. I really like this 5-star design. You can see, very well maintained. Now, getting under here to the engine compartment. Oh yeah, that is just beautiful. Aluminum radiator, AC, it's all going. Turning out so well. Polished, firewall, everything in here just shows really, really well. Can't really, it's a little bit harder for me to rev it up from here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sounds great. Billet hinges, fitment, nice and tight, nice and smooth into there. You got a little bit of gap right there, but that shows so well. I mean, really, really well. Now let's take you to the interior. This, I love the silver and the gray with a little bit of the gold. It just shows so well. And you can see in here, it's got the gold. You got a tilt steering wheel, Dakota digital gauges, AC, all the good stuff. Sun visors, headliners in silver. I really, really like what they did with that. Seats are in great shape. I don't see any rips or tears in that. And then here in the back as well. Now let's just kind of get through windows, and they work beautifully. Up and down. Oh yeah, that is nice and smooth. I like that. Now let's see here. Yep, just like it should. And here on this driver side is just a little bit stiffer. Of course, it's always goes down really well. Just a little stiff going up, nothing crazy. Just needs re-lubed in there. That's nice there. Let's shut this off. Show you the trunk. Fitment, nice and tight. And then you got nice trunk. I love what they did with it. Nothing crazy, very kind of classic design. You got your spare tire, you got your jack, you got your battery cutoff right there. That's all enclosed, set up really, really well. You got a speaker up in there, and it is just very, very nice and dry. You can tell they got new wiring. Nice and dry. I like to see that. And LED lights, let's get those on. Lights do work. Headlights were misbehaving a little bit, but now they are good to go. Turn signals do work as well. And then also you got your LEDs for there in the rear. And that shuts nice, just like it should. And then, oh yeah, just as nice over here. Opens and closes like it should. Up and down. Little, and the last one we had too is a little stubborn going down, but goes up and down actually nice. These back ones, these are usually the problematic ones. I'd rather, oh yeah, these are in really good shape. That works really, really well. Now, good old fun. Look at that fitment. I mean, just beautiful. Let's get into the test drive. Give you a nice little startup. Love how these gauges come on. I actually really, really do like these gauges. No seat belts. Same thing with a Bel Air. No seat belts. No seat belts. No horn. We do got wipers though. So no horn. Tilt works. All the gauges work. we got stereo sound. Yep, that's good. Clock, AC's blowing nice and cold. Keep on looking for the seat belt, but nope, no seat belt. And then turn signal indicators are down in here, and they both work as well. Now this thing, when we get back, I'll show you. So it is on bags as well, so you got a nice ride, and then you can drop it down when you're at the show. Obviously you don't want to drive when it's really low because it's going to hit the fenders, but man, when you drop it down, it looks so good. Now remember, we got over 300 photos. We have nationwide transport, online financing, all ClassicCarAddict.com. I would cruise this. I would cruise this for sure. This is just like the last red one. I mean, the undercarriage is in great shape. All the windows, it's comfortable. The last one, it sat up just a little bit higher. This one actually has been worn in just a little bit, so you've got a nice comfortable pad to it. It's not brand new and firm. Yeah, it runs out real good. Steering is nice and tight. Brakes really well. Oh yeah. Now we do these videos to make sure that you see exactly how the vehicle is, how it runs, how it sounds, how it drives, how it looks, the defects. We do these for you. Make sure you subscribe and like. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Right after this is going to be the undercarriage, so you can see exactly how it is. Now, this one is definitely for you. If you're looking for a 57, this is it. Oh, we were going to show you the what was I going to show you? I'm going to show you temperature. Oh yeah, and the bags. So bag control will be right here. That right there is at your 60. And then, oh yeah, look at that look now. Nice sleek look, nice and lowered. All right, we are getting under this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Oh yeah, and it is obviously, it is not perfect like it is perfect on the other side, but the greatest thing is that it's very well preserved. Now this is all undercoating under here, so it's all protected. You got dual flow master, you've got your rear end, you've got rear disc brakes, you got front disc brakes, you got your fuel injection, for your fuel tank. Then you have your 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission. You've got your headers coming out, going into that true dual exhaust, and then of course the infamous LT1, and then your front disc brakes, and then also your bags here for that front suspension, and then your air shocks for the rear. This thing is ready to go. ClassicCarAddict.com.